Hey guys, welcome to the live stream. I know there isn't a lot of people out there today, so 1 second. Alright, so what we're going to do today is we're going to be analyzing Apple, Workhorse, CIIG merger, and Square stock for the coming week. And yeah, it's going to be pretty cool. Before we do, I'll also be taking a look at them very briefly. Also gonna have to check if the live chat is working and everything. Alright. I obviously want to start with Apple, because I haven't done Apple stock in quite some time. So I just want to do Apple right now. We're oversold on the RSI. Quite interesting, right? I mean, that could potentially mean that we're about to see an up move, but it's not guaranteed. But generally speaking, we do start bottoming out after this kind of move. We saw this before right there, right? So we should see a bullish move coming up. Just like that. Just like right there. It could also go all the way down, right? Just down like that. We don't know if that's going to happen. I mean, definitely, I would say the markets are looking bearish. So, and the market kind of dictates where everything goes. I would say Apple is gonna go down just a little bit further. I think it's gonna go down just a little bit further. I would say to approximately 116.5. Down to this level. We also have a bearish channel here. Right around here. We'll bounce off. There we go. So we bounce, and then we go all the way up. I think we could go all the way up to approximately 119.5 after that. So that would look a little bit more like this. And then come back down. So come back down, possibly go up again. After that, we'll see some bearishness. That could be the case. Looking a bit like this. So go down, go up, go down, and then we go down again. Good, the microphone is not muted. I hope everything is working fine. Anyone asking that I should be doing Tesla? I have been doing Tesla for 6 days in a row. I'll be doing Tesla tomorrow for the weekly prediction, but today we're going to do Apple Workhorse CIIG Square, and yeah, that would be it pretty much. We'll do Tesla tomorrow. For now, we're focusing on the stocks that we didn't do a lot. But yeah, we could still keep going a little bit. It will all depend on the stock market, because the S&P 500, yeah, that is looking bearish. It's looking like it's going to go down even further. So but that's like the near term, right? Near term will probably go down and then go back up again. What's on the 1 hour? Right, so exactly what we said. Some more bearishness and then go up. So go down and then go up. That would make a lot of sense. And then we go back up to this level. And then we crash all the way down to the trend line. So MACD would go up and down and up again and then crash down. The reason I'm saying this is because it does look like after next week we're gonna see a correction on the S&P. So I'm just preparing myself for that. This could mean we could go down to the 114. I would say 114, 113.9. That could definitely be the case. So yeah, that will be the 1 hour. I haven't done the analysis yet. I'm just taking a quick brief look at what's coming for Apple. Near term it's looking quite positive, but like after a week or two there's going to be a big correction. Yeah, there we go. 4 hours is I wouldn't say it's looking too good. So what did we say? We said, okay, so a little bit more bearishness and then come back up. So wait, hold on, that makes no sense. We go up Then we go down again. So approximately, let's stretch it out. Could this be the case? Yeah, this could be the case, and then we go up again. So we have a correction, and usually this looks a bit like, yeah, it looks a bit like that. So it's similar to that, right? Where did this? So this would be. Damn, that's a big correction. I don't think it's going to be that big. I think it's going to be similar, but not that. I wouldn't say that it's going to be like that. No, I don't think it's going to be like that. It's going to look like it on the MACD, but it could potentially come down to 113.78. That would be the limit in my opinion. And then go back up on the 4 hours. So yeah, even the 4 hours, like, kind of suggesting that it's gonna go bearish. That makes a lot of sense, right? Oh yeah, there we go. That's that is some really bearish momentum. So I would say that this is looking pretty bad on the daily. So yeah, we could see it bounce a little bit, and then we come back down all the way, and then we bounce again. This could potentially mean that we're gonna have bearishness. Wow, that's a lot of time. It's not guaranteed, obviously, I would say, but this could mean that we could be negative from, I guess, the 27th of November. So Friday, next week, Friday could be the first real negative day. And we'll have a correction the first week. The week after next week could be very, very negative. So this could look a little bit like this. And come back down. And then go up again. Let's do it properly, right? Go negative. No, wait. Possibly? No. Something like that, right? Something like this. And then we go up again. So we'll have a mini bottom. You could even draw a trend line through that. So, but yeah, I think that one is going to be happening. And then after that, we're just going to go to like ridiculous levels. It's probably going to be shaking off a lot of retail traders who got into the market due to the fear of missing out. So that would be the case. Do know that if the market is bullish for some reason, I mean, anything could happen, right? We could bounce off and then be really bullish in the MACD. This could be a very brief correction, and then we still go upwards. So, yeah. But if that's not the case, which, I think that there will be a correction, right? There definitely will be a big correction. It's following the S&P 500, so if the S&P 500 goes down, obviously, then Apple also comes down. Checking the live chat. Yeah, I will also do Palantir tomorrow. Yeah, I was just looking at Apple, right? I haven't done the actual analysis yet because I just need to like see what's happening. So like the weekly. So the weekly does look like it's about to go bullish. So I would say that there's going to be slightly more negativity. And then we're going to see a lot of bullishness. If that makes sense. We're consolidating here, right? The same way that we consolidated here. Kind of similar here. We have these periods every now and then where we consolidate. We are having that right now. Did we hit the 9,000 subscribers yet? Oh, guys, we need like 10 more subscribers to hit 9,000. So, like, if you could hit that subscribe button right now, I would appreciate that super much. We're getting so close to 9,000. Okay, so my last bit of Pepsi. So sad. Okay. Alright, so I think I'm ready for the Apple analysis. I hope you guys are ready too. Okay, cool. Oh boy. I'm gonna have to charge my AirPods because I'm not using them right now. I think I'm ready. Hey guys, welcome back to Lucid Trading. Today we're going to be analyzing Apple stock. We're going to do this for the whole week coming up. This is a weekly prediction from the 23rd of November until the 27th of November. Alright? Before we start this analysis, make sure you hit the thumbs up and subscribe to the YouTube channel. I would really appreciate that. That would be awesome. We're almost at 9,000 subscribers. So if we could hit that, that would be just amazing. And but yeah. Let's get into this analysis right away. So, last time I said that Apple would go upwards, right? I was completely wrong. I was misguided. I did not look at the stock market. The reason I didn't do that is because I just didn't pay a lot of attention to Apple stock. So right now I'm live right now, and I did quite an analysis on Apple, and I now am paying attention. And I will be paying more attention to Apple stock. So sorry if I misguided anybody. I did say it would go up right away. It's not the case. It is not the case at all. It will go up after this correction. So that is the thing I would say. So it's currently correcting. And I say it's probably going to go up a bit. And then still come down to approximately $116. And then after that, it's most likely going to go upwards to the 119. where we would see significant resistance, and then we would go down all the way to, I would say, $113. Well, this is just based off of the 30 minutes. I'm going to show you very soon why I'm drawing it this way. And obviously, we're going to have to take a look at the 1 hour, the 4 hour, and the daily to get a proper look at things. The MACD would approximately go like this. Just like that. And then come back down. RSI, just like this. I would say that we really do have to look at the 1 hour right now, because we only see that this is about to go up, but that's about it, right? So let's go to the 1 hour. Let's go to the 1 hour. Looking at the 1 hour for Apple stock, you can see that we're about to go bearish, which could mean that there's still more to come, which, obviously I think at first we might see a little bit of a positive bar, then come back down to $116, where we could bounce all the way to approximately $117 to $118, see some consolidation, and go up to the $119. Here we could top out, come back down, try to move again, but we won't. So we come back down again, and we'll see significant bearishness from there. This could be the case, which could mean the MACD is going to go up a bit, but still go down. Hold on. Up, down, and then up again, down again, and then up, and then we go all the way down. Could look something like that. Looks a little bit funny, but once we reach this point, we could bounce from there. So we're definitely going to bounce. This will be a nice buying opportunity. I think we'll reach below the $115. Do notice that it gets bearish around, I would say, the end of Wednesday to Thursday, Friday next week. And I think that's because the stock market is going to get bearish Thursday to Friday, which this could be why I'm drawing it that way, which I think there's going to be a major sell-off in most stocks, including Apple. We're going to come back to this trend line, 113.7, bounce off heavily after that, and that could be the start of another bull rally for Apple. But I would say for now, we're just taking a look at this part, see where it's going to be heading. RSI, come back to the oversold, go back up, overbought, come back down to the oversold again. Something similar. All right, so that would be it for the 1 hour. Let's go to the 4 hours. There we go. You can see that on the 4 hours, we already have bearishness going on. I would say that this is not the end of it. We see that in the past, we have seen bearishness remain for quite some time until the oversold. So I would say we'll see a little bit of positivity, just a little bit, come back down again, like we said. Then we go up all the way and go down again. I think it's going to look different, right? More like this. If you can see this, just a brief bullish blip to the upside, just like that. Come back down to 116, bounce all the way to this level, 119, and then we go down all the way to 113, something like this. Which would make sense, because if we would draw a trend line just like that, it would bounce off, right? Obviously, the pink trend line looks different on this chart because it's a different time frame. We probably drew this in another chart. So, and then here onwards, we could be bouncing again, just like that. going to higher highs and potentially all the way to the all-time high, which could take some time, right? I do think we're going to gradually rally to the all-time high, but yeah, RSI looking a bit like this, and then go upwards. But yeah, that's the 4 hour for now. I think that's enough. Now, I think it's important to head over to the daily chart, because that's basically going to tell us what's going to be happening the coming week. The 4 hours usually tells us what's happening for, I would say, approximately the coming, let me just check, 3 days, 4 days, something like that, right? So let's go to the daily. We're now looking at the daily chart for Apple stock, and I would say that even here you can see clearly on the MACD that we're about to come down. RSI is bending downwards, and I would say that this is going to cross. It will take approximately, it's probably going to take a day to do this. It's going to go down to the 116, come back up a bit to the 119, go down again to the 113, and then go back up. So that would mean that the RSI is going to go down, go up briefly, go down again, and then go up again. So it's going to look a little bit like, possibly like this, but I'll say a little bit different. It looks really ugly in the daily chart, I get that. Come down, go up, come down, and then go up. But yeah, this is most likely going to be a bearish cycle over here, which could take us all the way to the $113, $112. So I would say after that it's going to look, I think it's going to look quite bullish, because we're going to have another bullish cycle, and we know from experience that those usually are quite radical to the upside. So that could be our ticket to $130. And we're also going to get closer and closer to the next earnings, which is going to be amazing because of the iPhone sales, right? The iPhone 12. So I would say that Apple is looking really cheap. Yeah, I mean, I would personally even pick up some shares if this starts crumbling down to the 113, 114 for earnings, right? Because I think earnings is going to be really good. So, all right, that is it for the daily chart. Let's go to the 30 minutes, the most important chart. We're going to be drawing out what Apple's going to do for the coming week. Let's go. Yeah, like I thought. Hold on, guys. Yo, we need like a couple more subscribers to hit the 9,000 subscriber mark. Guys, I would really appreciate it if you would subscribe right now. You'll be notified for the future videos, and it would be nice. Wow, that's a milestone. 9,000. It's getting close to that 10,000. Very, very close. Okay, so what did I say? I think before going down, just like that. Yeah, I guess something like that. Wouldn't be so surprising. Checking the live chat real quick. Alrighty. Looking at the 30 minutes for Apple stock, I think what's going to happen next is going to be a up move to approximately 117.8, then coming back down all the way to the, I would say, $116, and then we will see a surge to the upside to approximately 118.9, and then after that move, we're going to go down all the way to $113, which right now that's the 115. But you know what? I think the 115 on itself is quite a strong support level. So I don't think I want to change much more about this. But in any bearish scenario, we're going to go to $113. I think this bearish channel is also validating the fact that we're not going to go below any. I mean, we could go to the 114.5. But yeah, $115, very strong support level. So I would say let's just take the 115 right around here. This will be our support for now. And then after that, we could see a bounce to the upside. We could see a bounce to the upside. So like this would look a bit more like that. Just like that. Coming back up. So, yeah, that would be it for Apple, I would say, for the week. Start could be a little bullish, you know. Monday could be nice. And then we go down Tuesday, Wednesday. Actually, I think this is mainly going to be Tuesday, right? Tuesday might be negative. And then Wednesday, we could see a surge to the upside. And then Thursday and Friday would be very negative again for Apple stock. So, yeah. I think the time frame could be a bit different, but the pattern could be quite similar. And I think after the correction, which is going to be, I think it's going to end not next week, but the week after that, there'll be many buying opportunities in this area. In the 115, 114, 113 possibly. So you want to be getting some Apple stock there because I do believe that it's going to gradually go upwards to the all-time high. Because of earnings coming up, well, it's not coming up, but it's people start pricing it in very soon. And yeah, I would say Apple will run up quite significantly. So MACD would be going up just like that, go down again, then go up, go down just like that, and then start really surging to the upside very soon in December. All right, I think after the RSI, just do the RSI, something like this. But yeah, guys, this was the Apple analysis. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, make sure you hit the thumbs up and subscribe to the YouTube channel. Check out the social media. We have an Instagram, TikTok, Twitter, and also we have a Discord server and a Patreon. So the links are down below in the description. You can check them out. I hope you guys have a very nice weekend, and I'll be seeing you very soon. So that is the Apple analysis. Next up is going to be a Workhorse. Workhorse and Square, and then CIIG. I'm going to check if we hit the 9,000 yet. Nope, we didn't hit it. We didn't hit it yet. So we're getting pretty close though. So hold on, guys. Okay, so we've been live streaming about 40 minutes now. I'm going to take a quick break to upload the Apple video. After that, we're going to start doing the Workhorse. So, I'll be back in a second. See you soon for the Workhorse analysis.
Like this. It's all about humanity. About humanity. It's all about humanity. About humanity. It's all about humanity. humanity. About It's all about humanity.
If we are one grain of sand in the middle of the ocean, can you try to understand how a touch can cause explosions? Rise up, I'm too great to be landed. Rise up, we're too great to be standing.
They never gonna stop us, fly at 'em like choppers, better cook those risks, cold blood on my fists, we fire starters, one out of a million marine show sites, always had a feeling that I won't deny, not work, never could toss, look at my eyes, I'm on the rocks, rise. Rise, cutting my size, trying to make sense feelings, we just floating. Yeah, I'm that grain of sand that made it out the ocean. A couple milli now, I'm causing a commotion. I've been coasting, hear my name around the world like an explosion.
Rise up, rise up. We are the apocalypse, and a path that keeps us floating. As we fly above the stars, the hype won't scare us falling. So rise up. Rise too great to be landed. Rise up. Way too great to be standing.
They never gonna stop us, fly by them like choppers. Better tuck those risks, hold one of my fists, we fire starters. Let's go, one out of a million, we'll reach those heights. Always had a feeling that I won't deny that work. Never could toss, look at my eyes, I'm on the rocks.
Try your luck and take a chance. Get for the risks in this moment. Take my hand and break my heart. I'll never walk this road again. Stumbling steps grow to a dance where things change forever. There's no regrets, only the past. Will I change? Never. So swing me around. Take me down, you won't break me, I'm too strong. Keep saying it wrong, I'll play along, but I will never be a victim. So swing me around, take me down, you won't break me, I'm too strong. Keep saying it wrong, I'll play along, but I will never be a victim. Never be a We barely know, you hurt, I grow, I rock, you roll, we steal the show. I lock, you load, we lose control. I won't be held responsible. Run to the hills, leave love behind. Let's lose all concepts of time. I'll take yours and make it mine. Loving me, myself, and I. So swing me around, take me down. You won't break me, I'm too strong. Keep saying it wrong, I'll play along, but I will never be a victim. So swing me around, take me down. You won't break me, I'm too strong. Keep saying it wrong, I'll play along, but I will never be a victim. Never be a victim. You're too bad, I'll
beautiful disaster, a reckoning. You wonder how I got this way. You think I'm someone to be saved, someone to clean up and tame. Oh, some things never change, never change. Oh. You think I would look pretty on your arm once you cover up my bruises and battle scars, but it always ends the same. Can't bear the things I've had to face, got you crying on your knees in pain. Oh, some things never change, never change. Oh. You'll break your back to make me feel again. Suffocate to make me breathe again. Lose your mind from endless pain. Some things never change, never change. Oh, redemption never came. I stopped asking for forgiveness, cause you should know only fools tread with the angels. Fear to go, but you keep trying to get too close. Save myself by turning into stone. So save your judgment cause you just don't know. But some things never change, never change. Oh, they say I should feel guilty and change my ways, leaving crumpled bodies in my wake. Swear I didn't mean to make them break. Swear I didn't mean to make them break. But they're so delicate and so mundane, and they keep coming like a moth to a flame. Oh, some things never change, never change. You'll break your back to make me feel again. Suffocate to make me breathe again. Lose your mind from endless pain. Some things never change, never change. Oh, redemption never came. You make me move, you make me dance, you make my heart beat super fast. You lift me up, you make me laugh. Baby, you're the best I ever had. You're the best I ever had. You're the best I ever had. Best I ever had. You're the best I ever had. Best I ever had. You're the best I ever had. You make my heart beat super fast. Super fast, super fast.
You make my heart beat super fast.
What does love feel like? What does love feel like? You're the best I ever had. You're the best I ever had. Best I ever had. You're the best I ever had. Best I ever had. You're the best I ever had. You make my heart beat super fast.
You make my heart beat, you make my heart beat, you make my heart beat super fast. You make my heart beat super fast.
Filtered body slowly covering the light. Pull the trigger every night to stay alive. Hope is wishing, but you're running out of time. If I could only read your mind. Read your mind. If I could only read your mind. Try to shout, but all my words don't make a sound. Tiny pieces of the puzzle on the ground. Try to fix it, but you do this every time. If I could only read your mind. Read your mind. If I could only read your mind. If I could only read your mind. Here we are, a million stars floating over our heads. Beating hearts, falling apart, staying up to forget. But baby, we'll fall. We all go dancing down, and paradise is found.
So the mic was muted. Great. Yeah, so it happens. Okay, so okay, so guys, see, that's how tired I am right now. I don't know why I am so tired at the moment, but I am tired. Yeah, normally at this time I have lots of energy, but for some reason today it's just my body's like, no, you gotta rest. But yeah, I what I was saying is, for the analysis, I already did the analysis. I even drew the pattern, what I think could be happening potentially. I think we could see ourselves go to the 25, go to the 29, correct a bit, and then go all the way to the 35 to 36, correct down all the way to approximately $25. And here I don't necessarily know what's going to happen next. This could be a correction, and then we go up. However, if the markets are crashing or just correcting as well, we could see ourselves go back to, I would say, approximately $22 to $20, right? But yeah, I don't have to do the full analysis because I already did this live, the 1 hour to 4 hour to daily. I already checked everything. So this is the end game pattern, I would say. Brief correction, skyrocket again, brief correction, and basically go to the 35, come back down to 25, and then go upwards. Very similar to this move right there. But yeah, guys, I think I'm going to keep it very brief, short and sweet. I will quickly take a look at Square and CIIG. I think I don't have enough energy right now to do a very proper, deep analysis for those. Just having a bad day. I don't know why, but it happens. But I did want to say, guys, thank you so much for 9,000 subscribers. I really appreciate it. Without you guys, I wouldn't be here. And honestly, guys, 9,000 is quite an amount. We're heading towards 10,000 subscribers. So next milestone will be 10,000, 10K subs. That would be crazy. It's unbelievable. It's happening so fast as well. So I think, yeah, that was it for Workhorse, right? I mean, it's quite simple, short and sweet. We did the analysis live without speaking, and obviously I'll do it tomorrow again, but then like proper and deep, and like I'll upload the video. But I think I'll draw the same charts, so I'll draw the same pattern. I mean, it's kind of funny, right? We could literally copy paste this right there. Looks so similar. I think what's next is going to be CIIG. CIIG. Oh, did I already do it? Oh, kind of funny is. I didn't expect that I would do this. Did I expect us to go down? Oh, okay. Why did I do that? Is it a daily? I really don't know what this stock is going to do. Oh, yeah. Oh, okay, so... Yeah, okay. Now I get it. Yeah, this could drop to like $13. Like 20% drop before we see anything. So I don't think I can say much more than that, honestly. I mean, we don't have a lot of history, so like I would say something like does it have bullish momentum left? Yeah, I mean, I guess it does have some bullish momentum left. And then we sort of gradually go back down. Something like that, right? Take it with a grain of salt. I'm like super tired right now. We'll go to the overbought and then come back down. Could potentially reach that $20, or at least very close to that $20. And then we'll go down, I would say 50% of this whole move to the $13 potentially. Sort of really, does it look similar to Workhorse? 1 second. Yeah, okay, so how much of this can we show? No, we want the daily. if it could load. It's not loading, guys. I don't know what to do. CIIG merger. It's not loading. Oh, cool. It is loading now. Yeah, I just think like the MACD or the RSI is very overextended. MACD is overextended. Generally speaking, it doesn't stay that way, right? It just has to come down one way or another, I would say. But yeah, I would say that this is rather bullish still. Don't look at that. That doesn't matter. I think we could see another upswing, and then after that we'll have a nice correction. So if I could draw this out just like that, and then correct, just something similar in that sense. But yeah, that would be it for CIIG. Obviously, take this with a grain of salt. I am super exhausted for some odd reason. I don't know why. This is something I could see happen though. So, square. Yeah, I think we already... yeah, there we go. We already did this. Yeah, I think it's looking kind of bullish. Why did I do... I think I drew the daily chart, didn't I? I think I did the daily chart, definitely. Yeah, I think it's looking quite bullish. I think we could see us go up quite significantly. Muted again. So honestly, I said we're probably gonna go to the $220 and then come back down. Something similar to this. 220, come back down to approximately $190, maybe even $180. So just keep that in mind. But yeah, as I was saying, I'm feeling really sleepy and kind of forgetful, and I can't really properly even think at this moment. I don't know why. It's probably because I'm feeling a little sick. But yeah, I'll have to like lay down very soon. I tried my best, to make this live stream work. I already knew beforehand that it's gonna be like kind of, I don't know, low quality, but I just thought, I have to let you guys know what's going on. But for now, I hope you enjoyed the live stream, guys. I really tried my best. Usually I'm not sleepy around this time. I don't know why I am so sleepy. It's so ridiculous. But I guess it happens, Everybody has a bad day every now and then, so. Yeah, I'm gonna have to take a break. I think I'm gonna rest until like tomorrow. I think that should be enough. Yeah, if not, I'm gonna have to rest till like tomorrow night. But I'll be uploading many videos tomorrow if I'm feeling well. I'm just feeling so sleepy. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed the live stream. I tried my best. At least I went live, at least I did something. Many other YouTubers are just probably chilling with friends and family, so which is fine too. Alright guys, I hope you have a very nice weekend. Check the social media, it's down below in the description, and the Discord and Patreon are down below as well. If you want to show some love and get many benefits, then you can donate on Patreon. This was a rather quick, low quality live stream. I'm not very proud of it, but I will promise you that the next one will be way better. And 9,000 subscribers have been reached. I am super grateful, super thankful. I couldn't be here without you guys, and once again, this is amazing. Like, this is really amazing. We're heading for 10K, and 10,000 would be really cool. Anyway, guys, I'll see you very soon.